Welcome to Rosa's Portuguese Kitchen. On this episode, we are making Doce da Casa. Stick around, you're gonna love this one. Doce da Casa. 3 espresso coffees, 6 eggs, 1 can of condensed milk, 340 milliliters of milk, homo or 2%, 1 pack of cream, 35%, 6 Maria cookies, cinnamon, 6 spoons of sugar. Make 3 espressos. Separate the egg yolks in a bowl. Mix the condensed milk, regular milk, and yolks in a pot. Cook on low heat, stirring constantly until thickened. Pour 3 spoons of cream into each dessert glass. Soak Maria cookies in espresso. Place the soaked cookies on top of the cream. Cover cookies with the remaining cream. Cool and refrigerate the glasses. Beat the egg whites until they form peaks. In another bowl, pour the cream with sugar. Beat until the mixture is firm. Fold in the egg whites. Pour the mixture on top of the cream in glasses. Put back in the refrigerator. Sprinkle with cinnamon before serving. Thanks for watching how to make my Doce da Casa. Hope to see you on our next episode. Please like and subscribe to see more videos like this.